How to delete Stripe account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Stripe account. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here, I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, type in stripe.com. This is the official URL of Stripe. Now once I've entered it, press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it. You'll be taken to the official website of Stripe. Here, ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, at the top you'll be able to see the dashboard option in this page. Click on it and this will take you to your Stripe account page. Now once you reach to the dashboard of your account, you'll be able to see the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on it and then a menu will appear. From here, you will need to click on the settings option. Then you'll be taken to the settings page now. Here now, you will need to locate the account settings section. Under it, you'll be able to see this business option. Simply click on it and then once you reach to the business page, make sure account details tab is selected. Now here you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate the close your account option. Here it also says that once you close your account, you'll not be able to access your financial data for reporting and tax purposes. Also, you will need to go through this link given here before closing your Stripe account. Ensure that you have backed up the transaction data, settled outstanding transactions, and informed your customers about the change before deleting your account. And once you have done that, you may click on this close account button right here. Now, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for that code, and once you get that code, you will need to enter it in this field. If in case you don't receive your code, you may also click on this resend link right here and a new 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. And after you get that code, you will need to enter it in this field. After you enter the code, click on the continue button right here. And then you will be able to see this pop-up on your screen. Here you will need to confirm to close your account. Once you close your account, you will not be able to access your financial data for reporting and tax purposes. You will be created new charges or refunds and you will need to submit evidence for new disputes. Even after deleting your account, you will still be responsible for any refunds that are issued before. So if you agree with that, go ahead and click on this close account button right here. And by doing so, you will see you have successfully closed or deleted your Stripe account. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Stripe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.